Calling all moms, I have one question for you. If you weren't here tomorrow, would your husband know how to keep everything running? Before anyone jumps into the comments, I know every family is different. Some dads are the ones packing lunches, coordinating schedules, cooking dinner, and managing the household. Some couples divide everything equally, and that's wonderful. But in many households, one person naturally becomes the keeper of all the little details that make life work. If that's you, this message is for you. Welcome to Frame Wealth Partners, our official YouTube channel. Let's talk about how it's not just paying the electric bill. It's knowing that Kendall has gymnastics on Mondays. Jack refuses to eat anything green unless you call it hawk broccoli. The dog gets his medicine hidden in peanut butter. Your daughter needs her inhaler before soccer practice. The pediatrician closes on Friday, and grandma's birthday is next Tuesday. Somehow, you even know where everyone's favorite sweatshirt disappeared to. Meanwhile, Dad may be standing in the pantry asking, "Honey, where's the ketchup?" Well, it might be staring him right from the middle shelf. And gentlemen, if you're watching, we love you. This isn't about picking on dads. Many dads know exactly when the furnace filter needs changing, how to reset the Wi-Fi, and why that strange noise in the basement isn't exactly an emergency. In most households, everyone has a lane. One kills the spiders, the other one remembers everyone's birthday. The problem isn't who does what. The problem is when all of that knowledge lives in just one person's head. As a financial planner, I spend my days helping families prepare for the unexpected. Protection isn't just about life insurance, financial planning. It's about communication. It's about having that plan. One of the greatest gifts you can give your family is taking everything that's in your head and putting it somewhere that everyone can find it. Creating a shared family calendar, keeping a secured list of passwords, writing down insurance information, doctors, medication, emergency contacts, children's schedules, and where your important documents are stored. And if you're a stay-at-home mom who has ever said, "I don't earn an income, so I probably don't even need life insurance," I want you to hear this. Your family may not depend on your paycheck, but they absolutely depend on you. Your contribution isn't measured only in dollars, it's measured by everything that would have to be replaced if you weren't there. Let's talk about a family readiness checklist, a shared family calendar. Make sure emergency contacts are accessible. Insurance and investment policies are organized. Passwords are stored securely. The children's schedules are documented. Medical information is available. Estate planning documents are located. And review life insurance for both spouses. Schedule a family planning conversation this month. Never underestimate your value, and never underestimate the value of making sure the people you love know how to carry on if life doesn't go according to plan. The greatest gift you can leave your family isn't just money. It's a plan they can follow with confidence. For more information, visit us at www.framewealth.com.